Hi, I'm Mrs. Hall, and together we are your ICT 10 English teachers. Tonight, we'd like to welcome you by talking a little bit about what the suite of tools are that you have at your access in order to help best support your student. So we're going to start by talking a little bit about Schoology. Schoology is your one-stop shopping tool. This is kind of like that Trapper Keeper you might have had when you were in high school. You're looking at our landing page. So when students access the course, they're going to see something like this. Your students will be able to take a look at what the weekly plan is, and they'll also have a suite of tools along the left-hand margin to help them navigate their thinking and learning. So as they move through the landing page, you'll notice that we generally have a weekly schedule for students to let them know what they'll be missing should they need to be absent for any reason, and also what to anticipate as they move through the week. This is also where they can submit late form and let us know that they've submitted late work. We have a link to our policies. We also have all of our current units stored here. The right-hand margin, you'll notice that there is a schedule for students to help keep track of the work that they have upcoming. Another source that we have in our suite of tools is OneNote. Ms. Pruitt, tell us a little bit about that. To us this year is Parent Square. Parent Square is a way for us to communicate directly with you and your students. So keep an eye out each month for our classroom newsletter that will give you a peek into what we'll be doing for that month. Pruitt for sharing some of those features and some of those tools that we all have at our disposal. And also, parents, thank you for being here tonight. We look forward to a wonderful year.